I was right about the pill+hole display, and you guys should be happy to see this coming to iPhone 14 Pro Max. A leaked first hands-on video came up from China showing the on and off option for the single pill+hole cutout, which means Apple is going to give an option for turning this on or off. And this was a last-minute change and did through software. So considering this is going to happen on iPhone 14 Pro Max. Either it is just for testing purposes, but this is going to happen. You can easily change this from settings, either to turn it off the dead pixels or turn it back on. Things to notice: after turning these off, where will Apple show the privacy indicator for camera and mic? Either it will be the same place as iPhone 13 Pro Max or in the middle. This thing will need to be confirmed. If you are thinking how Apple is giving this feature, and there one simple answer: it was just a last minute change and they don't want to ruin the pill+hole display. If you want to use a single pill, it can be an option. And if this leak is true or not, still this feature is certain to have on iPhone 14 Pro Max. Apple is also redesigning the camera app for iPhone 14 Pro Max and adding the feature more accessible to the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And not just that, they are also changing the status bar, where now the new integration is its new battery percentage, and on the left side we will have our cellular signals. If you like always on display, then Apple is finally giving this feature in the upcoming iPhone 14 Pro Max. And this could possibly come with the iOS 16, and iOS 16 will going to launch on the same day as iPhone 14 lineup, with having the access to notifications and time, and can give you the modification option on the always on display. The one who used the camera a lot will like the new 48 megapixel camera, and there are a couple of new features we are going to get on it as I talked in my previous video. Mainly, it has a capacity to switch at night from 48 to 12 megapixel, and there's one big reason: the noise. It was adding noise, so Apple turned this down to 12 megapixels to make it better. If you are happy about the battery life of iPhone 13 Pro Max, then iPhone 14 Pro Max will going to be even better with its new bigger battery and a faster charger, slightly better than iPhone 13 Pro Max at 30 watt, where iPhone 13 Pro Max was between 23 to 27 watt. The performance on A16 Bionic chip is better, but Apple done a great job managing a thermal which is better than A15 Bionic chip. As per first user experience, the pill+hole cutout works the same as a notch display and you don't feel much difference, but this is a big change after the first notch phone iPhone 10. So this is better to see Apple is going to do something new with their iPhone 14 lineup. If you want to know about 48 megapixel camera and 8K recording, then you can watch this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.